That barrel looks like a giant beer can, right? Well, the woman saw in it the possibility of making a nice piece of furniture, a comfortable and attractive armchair. Let's see the step-by-step of her project. The first thing she did was cut the barrel in half. Inside it had a plastic protection. Then, the woman covered it with a layer of foam rubber inside and outside one of the halves. For this, she used her powerful stapler. Then she marked points all over the surface. With a soft blue fabric, the girl covered the foam rubber and marked the points again so that her armchair looks very soft. In addition, this way the fabric fit well. This girl is really good at crafts. She has already created many interesting and useful things with recycled materials. For the seat, the woman used a large ice cream bucket, as it fit perfectly. With the lid, she did the same as with the back of the chair. First, she glued and stapled a layer of high-density foam. Then, she adjusted the blue fabric, marking the points and then gluing some silver buttons. With the rest of the bucket, she worked the same way, covering it with soft foam and fabric. But on the inside, she placed another type of fabric. This seat was going to have a surprise inside. As a pocket, the clever woman used a Ziploc freezer bag. Where do you think this woman found the barrel? What it contained? We don't know. What I can tell you is that when she saw it on the street, she loaded it into her car and took it home. To continue the work, she gave the back of her chair a new look. With much love, she stuffed it with soft balls and covered it with a quilted fabric. Goodbye, back pain! The other half of the barrel was not left behind. The woman lined it inside and out with foam rubber and a zebra print fabric that gave it a wild touch. Roaring! To make it mobile, she added some swivel wheels, and voila! A dressing table on wheels. Also, surprise! On the lid, she placed a mirror and upholstered it with the same zebra print fabric. Divine, and that's not all. Inside the seat, there is a secret space, perfect for storing your most precious treasures, makeup, jewelry, secrets. Whatever you want, do you dare to give a new life to an old barrel? With a little creativity and a lot of love, you can create unique and functional furniture. Unleash your inner decorator and surprise everyone with your original projects.